That's all the plants I've brought down. They look a bit fluffy already. I need water actually. I'm going to put them in the greenhouse now because they need a bit more heat, and things like chrysanthemums, all those brassicas, lettuce, onions and everything are going to go in the polytunnel to like get used to the outside. And that's all my seedlings. I've only got one zip on the polytunnel right now because it broke. Let's see how good we can get in. It's going to be hot in there. Did you even see that? Let's have it out the playthrough now. Because one zip's broke. I'm going to clean it as well. Should we give it a quick clean? Let me see. Look at my hand. Oh, a bit of tips come off. Look at my handiwork. It survived Storm Dave, this. That's taught all the way down. Anyway, seen all these marigolds. My tomatoes didn't do very good last year, so I need to get everything out. The peppers did alright. This side done better than that side. I never cleaned it out because I didn't think the polytunnel was going to survive. But now it's survived, I've got to clean it out. I'm going to collect some of the seeds, sow some of them, dig it all out. I need to add loads of manure in it and compost. So let's do that then. It's all marigold seeds. Can you see? I'm going to just plant them all in this tray and just prick them all out sometime. Carry on doing this now. I'll probably get loads of soft seeded as well. Hey, Gasp. Just sitting down having a break. A break after clearing the polytunnel. I'll show you in a bit. And this is it after. It's so lovely to see the chickens out again after that lockdown. It's freaking out now. Anyway, I just realised I didn't really have to sow any of them seeds because have you seen how many seeds are on the floor? That's all nasturtium seeds. Excuse me, Casper. They're everywhere. Look. Oh my god. That is a handful of marigold seeds. Sprinkle them about everywhere. They're already everywhere, really. Now I'm going to set up some storage. Oh, that took some effort. Right, I hope it's not going to be too cold tonight, but I've got the fennel, some flowers, a yellow tomato, some poppies, dahlias from seed, lupins, all the cosmos. Put that there now. That's just some other different type of rudbeckia. My yellow tomatoes, marigolds, ones that come back every year, rudbeckia. They've just really flopped since I brought them out. That's the spare peppers, the other peppers are at home. And now I'm going to put these leeks on into the big tubs and move them in the polytunnel. See how much they've grew already? So I cut them there. Right, I've moved everything that doesn't need to be in the greenhouse in here. Like these chrysanthemums, spare onions, that's a spare gooseberry, that's a herb that might grow back, I don't think it's going to do that. Lavender, strawberries, dahlias, all the brassicas. These lettuces look like they're ready to be planted out. That's other dahlias, I'm just seeing if they're going to come through. That's the dahlias I just done the other day, that's all my onions. All more brassicas, and the leeks I've just potted on. Now in the polytunnel. And the chickens are out now. Out of lockdown. You're not eating my food though. My flowers and my veg. Everything's watered now. Ah, I should have watered the grape. See little buds on it. Hopefully these are going to survive. Hope no pigeons come through because they'll eat them all. That's my leeks. All the onions under there. Still got to do the soil, but there's no rush for that now. Look how ready I am. It's boiling in here. Be very careful with that now, won't we, Cass? That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye!